Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've noticed that your Chrome browser is suddenly using Yahoo Search instead of your preferred search engine, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome and restore your desired search engine. First, we need to check any unwanted extensions that might be causing this issue. Open Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Here you can see the search engine. Here as you can see it is on yahoo.com. Tap on google.com or your preferred web browser. Now go back to the main settings menu. Sometimes browser hijackers change the settings to make sure everything is clean. Go to advanced at the bottom. Then tap on reset and clean up. Next thing you can do is open a trusted anti-malware program. To ensure there are no lingering issues, it's a good idea to run a malware scan. Open the anti-malware software and perform a full system scan. This will help identify and remove any malware that might have caused the problem. And that's it. Your Chrome browser should now be free of Yahoo search and back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.